Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva for beginners. First, navigate to canva.com and sign up for a free account using your email or a social media login. Once registered, you'll land on the home page, which offers a wide array of design categories. Choose a template or start a blank design to begin your creative journey. It's that simple to get started with this powerful tool. Once inside the editor, you'll see your canvas in the center and a toolbar on the left. This toolbar is where you'll find all your design elements. Click on text to add headings or body copy, then choose from hundreds of fonts. Use elements to insert shapes, lines, or icons. You can easily drag, drop, and resize anything on your canvas to fit your vision perfectly. Canva truly shines with its extensive template library. Whether you need a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer, there's a template for almost everything. Select one, then simply swap out text and images with your own. When your design is complete, click the Share button in the top right corner. You can then download your creation as a PNG, JPG, or PDF, among other options. To elevate your designs, try using Canva's Pro features like the background remover for images, which makes objects stand out. Also, keep your projects organized by creating folders for different clients or categories. This saves time and keeps your workspace tidy. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with new tools and ideas. And for an amazing home upgrade, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.